SSR panel clip. The assembly process is like a typical standing seam roof. The only additional step is to set the thermal blocks in place with 2 flathead screws and attach the standing seam clip through the thermal block and to the purlin flange. Guidelines: only use clips that are 1/4 inch taller than the profile of the panel. Standing seam clips should not be located over the joints of the thermal block. Locate and center the SSR panel clip to ensure the fasteners penetrate the thermal block and fasten into the purlin flange below. Use a longer screw to fasten the SSR panel clip through the thermal block and into the purlin flange below. SNS recommends number 14 or larger diameter screw and is 2 inches or more in length. After installing the top insulation blanket over the thermal block, place and attach the SSR panel clip on top of the insulation blanket and centered over the thermal block. The SSR panel clip will be fastened through the top insulation blanket, the thermal block, and the second layer of insulation with the vinyl backing, if applicable, into the purlin flange below for a tight connection. When attaching the thermal block to the purlin, be sure to apply pressure to the thermal block so that the thermal block is snug tight to the purlin using the flathead screws. Do not compress or dimple the thermal block. Complete the additional steps of the standing seam roof as to manufacturer's specifications.